Hello everyone, this is Gautami. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this Python series, we are going to learn comments in Python. What is mean by comments? Comments can be used to explain Python code. Comments in Python are the lines in the code that are ignored by the interpreter during the execution of the program. Let's discuss in detail using the example. Open the Jupyter notebook. In the previous video, we discussed how to download and install Anaconda software and how to open the Jupyter notebook. And also, we have learned what are the usages of these icons and what is this cell represents. And also, we have seen how to make use of these cells. In today's session, we are going to start practicals, everything in detail. So first, I just want to rename this file. How to rename this file? Just right click on it and there is an option called rename notebook. You can write whatever you like. So today we are learning the concept called comments. So just I am typing my file name as comments and this will be the extension for the Jupyter notebook. And simply click on the rename. The file will be renamed to comments with an extension. Let's start writing the heading. Usually we already discussed that every cell is meant for code only. Now I just want to make it like a text and also it should be like a bigger font. That time what you should do here is just to use a symbol called hash symbol and give one space and write the heading whatever you like, means text. I just given a text as comments. Now you know that this is a text to make it like a heading. So what you should do, just click this drop down and make it as markdown and hit this run option. Now you can see the text is going to be in a bolder format. If you want the normal font, the text font, that time we no need to use the hash symbol. Simply we are writing like this. And you should make it as markdown and click this run button. The text size will be small. If you want to make it like this heading, then you should use a symbol called hash symbol and give the space and write the text and change it to the markdown and click the run so that you will have the text in a bolder format and bigger size. And if you want to reduce the size and the boldness gradually, then what you should do here is how many hash symbols you will keep. So based on that the size is going to be reduced. Now I just given 2 hash symbols and I have written the text and simply mark it as markdown and click OK. See, the size is gradually decreased. Like that, if I give 3 hash symbols, just giving a small space and I am writing text and I am changing to the markdown and click the run button. See, the size is gradually decreasing. So based on the size you can create your headings just by keeping this hash symbols. Let's discuss what is mean by comment. So we already discussed that comments can be used to explain the Python code. Let's have an example. If I want to print a message called Gautami Tech Skills YouTube channel. Now what is the function I am using for printing this? Using the print function. I just want to describe this function. How you can describe it like a text? If you write in this format, print function is used to display the output. So this is the information that I have written to explain this code. If I run like this, it throws an error, which means that you know that this is the information for the user, but the machine cannot understand. So what you need to do here is you need to comment this. How to comment this means just keeping the hash symbol before that information. If you run this, you cannot see this information. So that is what the meaning of these 2 lines. Comments can be used to explain the Python code. Comments in Python are the lines in the code that are ignored by the interpreter during the execution of the program. So This is what the explanation. Let's have one more point. There are two types of comments in Python. The first one is single line comment. What we discussed here is that only. If you are writing your information in a single line, you just comment using the single line comment called hash symbol. If you are having a multi-line comments, means the information is in multiple lines, then you can make use of symbols called a triple double quotes or triple single quotes. Both are similar only. But what I can say here is it's not really have a syntax for multiple line comments. If you are also having a multi-line comment, means multiple line of information, you just prefix each and every line with the hash symbol only. Why? What is the reason? If you're also having the multi-line comment, why we are using only this hash symbol? I'll show that one. So see, for example, I'm having 3 sentences of information to explain the code. I'm just writing only the explaining the multi-line comment. So what I said, in order to use this multi-line comment, means you have to use this triple double quotes or triple single quotes. I'll just write it. For example, what I am doing, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in second line I am writing here as Gautami Tech Skills, later easy programming. So these are the 3 lines I just want to provide like an information. So if you are having 3 lines of information, means more than one line of information, what we will do here is we'll just keep all these lines either in triple double quotes or like this. Just start with triple double quotes and end with triple double quotes. If I run this, you can see the output here. What we discussed here, comments in Python are the lines in the code that are ignored by the interpreter during the execution of the program. But when we are using the triple quotes as a multi-line comment, we are able to see this output here. If you just copy this single line comment and you just write it alone, I'm just running, are you able to see this as an output? If you are using the single line comment, no. But coming to the multi-line comment, we can able to view it like an output. So that is not recommended. If you write a multi-line comment, along with it, if you use a code, then it's okay. You will not able to see those outputs. See, you are not getting. So whenever you are using the multi-line comments, you should have a code. Then only it will not get printed. But that is not the right thing. If it is code, if there is no code, it should not get executed as an output. Just like single line comment. So then how to overcome this means, I'll simply copy this lines of information and I'm pasting in this cell. You just comment all these lines, means just write hash symbol for every line. So now if you run, you can see there is no output. So that's why we are recommending for multi-line comment or single line comment, just to prefix with this hash symbol. So this is all about comments. Let's discuss the best practice to write the comments. Comments should be short and precise. Use comments only when necessary. Don't clutter your code with comments. Avoid writing generic or basic comments. That is true. If you are go on writing the comments, it will be very much odd to see your coding. Write comments that are self-explanatory. Yes, these are the few practices while writing the comments. Hope you understand these comments in Python. We will meet in the next video with a new concept. Kindly share my video, like and comment below. If you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you for watching.